Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the comparison of two string with string handling function and without string handling function in C language. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process, and now yes is open ultra file menu, taking new file, and here our code write a program to compare two string. Okay, that is our definition. So yes, here we can compare two string. Yes, and with string there are two techniques: string handling function and second without. So let's say that without string handling function. So yes, string compare, COMP, that function string comparison. So both technique we have to learn. So yes, that string is same or not. So that is a, so we can input as two string and then compare, and if that string, so we can that message output as a string are same. Otherwise, we can say that that string are not same. So let us start first technique. So we can use our string handling function. So stdio.h, and then conio console input output dot h, and then we can, yes, here we can use for string handling function. So string.h header file is required, and then void main, yes, and then we can check. So let us, we can take one integer variable, so that is a comparison, so like value, yes, and then character, that is a string 1, and 30 that size, and then string 2, then also 30 that size, and then clear the screen, and then we can scan. So input we have to start, so enter, yes, like capital first letter. So enter one, or we can say that first string. So we can scan. Yes, here first I use get s. So that is a str1, and then I copy and paste. So now enter the second string. So that is a perfectly, and here I use not get s but scanf function. Both we have to use. So yes, that white space includes, so percentage and then bracket upon sign and slash n. So that is a perfectly scanning, and then str2. So both string is scanned, and now we can check, yes, here if condition. So that is a first we can use value, yes, I take as value function. So strcmp string comparison, and that str1 and then str2, yes, so that returns. So here we can compare if value equal to 0, so we can give the message. So that is, we can say that both strings uh, strings are same, and else if not 0, so that is a, if return 0, so both strings are same, and otherwise both strings are not same. Yes, so very simple way we can elaborate. So yes, first I can save this file, so that is the first technique. So here we can say that string comparison strcmp, but that is a function name. So here I provide underscore and dot c, and that is a first technique, string compare. So that is a first inbuilt function we have to use. Yes, there is no any error, and let us take, I give like F5BCA SAM1, yes, and second SYBCA SAM1, or that is a 3, yes, SAM3. So yes, that both string are not same. Now I again scan and let us check F5BCA SAM1. Yes, again F5BCA SAM1. So yes, both string are same. And here if you not use here one variable is we have to take integer value, so I remove that variable and directly we can take here if condition. So what to do? So here if and directly parenthesis and equal to 0, so remove this semicolon and remove this if condition. So yes, very short logic. So let us compile. Yes, there is no error. So let us we can take like you can C language. Yes, C. So yes, that is a CLNG, C language or complete. So that is a yes, C. Yes, and again C and yes, both. So both string are same. And now I scan. So CLNG and we can say that CF. Yes, and underscore ET. So both string are not same. So that first technique, yes, perfectly we can compare two string, and now I can save as. So we can string see compare without string handling function. So now I can remove this header file because we have to not use string compare. We can apply to and we can use yes here that is a UDF function. So that I define compare, that is a user defined function, and pass two character array. So 1D array, yes, and that is declaration time. That is no need to variable name. Yes, here you can give the like str1 and str2, but that not need. So yes, let us first I give, and then we can remove. It's not required. So yes, that is a we can take here, that is perfectly, and again we can take one handler. So that is an integer and we can give like temp, and temp assigned to. So let us take if condition, if temp. So first we can assign the temp and compare and pass both string. So directly, so compare, yes, and we can pass string 1, yes, and string 2. And then if condition, if temp equal to 0, so that is both string are same and both string. So if not 0, so not same. So yes, here we can define yes return data type is integer, so with argument with return data type. So that is a compare, we can define ourselves, and character, yes, that is a string 1, yes, you can give different name. Then character, yes, here that is a declare definition time, that variable name must be you can apply, means use. And now what to do? So here we can take some variable. So first is a flag assigned to 0, then I just assigned to 0. So that is a two variable we have to take. And now we can take as a while loop. So yes, string of I, yes, and not yes 1 and not equal to null. So you have to know every string terminate with null value. And again, that is we can give the condition string 2 of I and not yes not equal to null. So let's take if condition, and that we have to if again if while loop we can take if condition. So yes, that is a string 1 of I and not equal to uh, string 2 of I. So what to do? So here we can give the flag assigned to 1 and break. So that loop is a break while loop. And then here we can take as I plus plus. So that is the increment. So that compare the next character. And here if else. So if flag remaining zero equal to zero, so we can return as a zero. So both string are same, and otherwise return to one. So both string are not same. So yes, here we can that flag remaining zero. So we can say that both string are same, because here you can see that first we can flag assign to zero and not equal to. So if not equal to, so flag is assigned to one and then break this while loop. So flag remaining zero, so that is a both string are same and otherwise not same. So we can uh, develop to our own logic, not use string handling inbuilt function. Yes, so perfectly, and that save up this file, and let us check compare. Yes, so and here I first compile. Yes, there is no any error, and I previously told you here that the definition time there is no need to require the variable name. That variable name is optional. So now I compile, there is no any error. So why we can give the variable name in declaration of UDF? Yes, so let us check saying. So again I give the F5BCA SAM1 and SYBCA SAM3. So yes, both string are not same. Yes, perfectly. And now I compile, and then F5BCA SAM1. Yes, and again F5BCA SAM1. So both string are same result we have to find out. So yes, that is a inbuilt that string str compare, it same follow the or like look like that our logic. So we can apply to ourselves. So very simple logic. Yes, here I think you have to understand. So every string terminate with null value. So what to do? So in main we can scan to string and then compare user defined function. So that is a definition with argument with return data type. And then if temp, that is a we can handler an integer type. So if zero, so both string are same, otherwise not same. So that is a here calling. Yes, there are three parts. So here that is a declaration, then in that above the main function, and inside the main we can call the our user defined function, and here we can definition of user defined function. And here that is a must be follow the sequence, that is uh, a formal argument. You can also give some different name, and here I give the same name. So like I give the S1 and S2, that is possibility, there is no any error, so we can change here S1 and S2. So that is a possibility. There the in main that is a actual argument, and here that is a formal argument. So and here we can also change yes in if condition. So S1 and S2. Yes. So yes, perfectly, and you cannot change, there is no any error. So again run and let us check. We can give some long string. So we can say that this is a pen. Yes, and here we can say that this is a pencil. So both string are not same. Yes, perfectly. And now again I run, and we can say that this is a pen, and same, this is a pen, not any single character chain. So you can look, both string are same. So yes, perfect. Our logic, no any change. Perfectly, we have to develop simple logic for you. So write this program. There are we can do without string handling and with string handling. Both we have to take two technique to compare two string in C language. So write this program to your C notebook, and any doubt or any regarding this definition or any concept in C language, so you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. And now I can close this file, enter F3 function key and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.